sisig mushroom, burger mushroom at mushroom tempura. Ilan nga lang yan sa mga pwede nyo matikman dito sa isi-share naming bagong pasyalan at food tripan dito sa Cavite. At kung naghahanap nga kayo ng cafe that offers that chill vibe, isa to sa mga dapat nyo mapuntahan. Sakto, mapasimpleng family get-together o romantic date. Hello Jolly Natex! Today we are here at Blizia Resto Cafe na located along Rimulya Street, Barangay Paho, Alfonso, Cavite. Open sila dito Wednesday to Sunday from 12 noon to 9 p.m. Kung may dala naman kayong sasakyan, no worries kasi napakalaki ng parking nila dito. Pagpasok nga namin, talagang na-amaze kami sa place nila. Lalo na kung nature lover kayo, sure ako may enjoy nyo dito. And although alfresco dining sila dito, don't worry dahil napaka-relaxing, tahimik at mahangin yung place. And since maganda nga yung place nila, sakto to sa mga prenup photoshoot. For me, the best time pumunta dito is around 4:30 ng hapon onwards, lalo na kapag bukas na yung mga lights nila sa gabi. May small playground na nga rin sila dito if may kids kayong kasama. And yung isa pang ang amazing dito, we had a quick tour sa kanilang mushroom farm. We found out na isa pala sila sa mga biggest distributors ng mushrooms dito sa South. Particularly yung tinatawag na oyster mushroom, sila yung mga nagsusupply sa mga restaurants and other establishments. Sila din kasi yung mismong nagko-culture at nag-harvest. Kaya naman they serve fresh and organic and almost made out of mushroom yung mga menu items nila. Tulad na lang nitong bliss salad, meron na yung lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, bell pepper, kesong puti, and edible flour na mas pinaspesyal pa ng kanilang homemade salad dressing. Mushroom tempura, nakatikim na ba kayo? Masarap yung timpla ng mismong batter niyan. Light lang yung texture niya as in parang kang kumain ng nuggets pero mushroom. Itong mushroom embutido naman, meaty at manamis-namis. This is made out of 90% oyster mushroom and 10% pork meat and best to partner to sa mainit na kanin. We also had the mushroom lasagna which was really good. Bukod sa malaki yung serving, may breads on the side, al dente yung pasta, and yung lasa ng sauce is more on may pagka-Italian style. We also tried their burger mushroom beef, may kasama ng fries on the side, own recipe nila yung mismong patty, kaya naman meaty and juicy. And yung isa nga sa pinaka nagustuhan namin dito is their mushroom sisig. Well balanced yung flavor niya, tapos may pagka-meaty din, and actually kung hindi mo alam na made out of mushroom to, hindi mo talaga mahalata yung lasa at texture. For dessert naman, we had their mushroom ice cream. Again, hindi evident yung pagka-mushroom dito, pero I'd say napaka-creamy ng consistency ng ice cream nila, impinalevel up pa ng chocolate and almond toppings. Yung mga drinks nila dito, panalo din, social yung mga itsura pero reasonable ang price. Nag-try kami netong kanilang lychee passion, cucumber lemonade, at itong kanilang peach blue pea which was my personal favorite. Bukod sa refreshing, napaka-fragrant din ng amoy with a mix of sweet and citrusy flavor. They also offer hot and iced coffee na masasarap din yung pagkakatimpla. There you go Jolly Natex, sana nabigyan na naman namin kayo ng idea kung saan may solid cafe resto dito sa South. Kung naghahanap nga kayo ng masasarap na food and drinks at hindi kayo bibiguin sa ganda ng lugar at ambience, then come visit Blizia Cafe and Resto now. So paano until our next food trip?